Well, hello everyone. Hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deb and welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalking Creations. I did a quick live earlier and I am doing this video just to show you some of the amazing specials that are going on Chalkator. They've got 4 new kits that are only available for this week while supplies last. It ends from November 13th to November 19th. And they have some other amazing deals while supplies last going on until the end of November. So I'm going to scroll through and show these to you really quick. These are their 2 kits with their new surface with the beadboard. It's 5.5 by I believe 12 inches long. I'm going to click on that one. All right. Let me see here. Yep, right there. It's 5.5 by 17.5 inches long, plus you get your transfer, your toothpaste packets, color paste trays, and a mini squeegee. That is so awesome. Actually, you get 2 color paste trays. Absolutely love that one. You also have this one, kitchen self-serve, open 24 hours. But they've got some amazing $10 kits. Plus, you get 10% off the month of November. So look at this one. You've got winter cheer, $10. You see the price, $9. This is the, I believe they call it the A-frame. And to me, it reminds me of a house. You get 2 wood surfaces here, one in the wood grain or the brown and the white. You get your size A transfer. You get 1 paste packet and a mini squeegee for $9. It's unbelievable. This surface alone with this, I should say frame, and these 2 surfaces alone are $20 retail. They've got another one here. This one is called the Nordic Christmas Tree. Same thing, the bold fa la la. But then look at this tier tray, regularly $30. You can get it for $9. It's already pre-painted white. You can paint it another color that you would like to. They have some of the reusable shapes that you can get that coordinate with transfer. So if you want to give some dimension to your project, you can. This is for storage. If you have paste, jars of paste, it will hold up to 18 jars of paste. That's what it states. But let's say you have some other craft supplies. You just want to use this for storage, you can. Amazing, absolutely amazing. That is a really good deal. Let me go back to the others. So I just want to go through and show you. I will have a link to in the description box, so that way if you want to go ahead and shop these amazing deals and get these while you can, you're more than welcome to. Look at this. This is a double-sided box frame. One side is white, the other side is brown. 9 by 9. These are reusable. They coordinate with transfers. Look at this, the box house frame, a 9 by 12. I did a project with that with a couple of transfers about a year or so ago. That is a phenomenal deal. I love that box frame, and it is also double-sided. You can use the back of it also, and the back of it is brown. You can paint this if you want to. It's regularly $25. Another reusable surface that goes with the Merry Christmas, the vintage Merry Christmas. The reindeer shape. Look at this. It coordinates, but let's say you just want to get the reindeer shape and use it for another project and paint it with a chalk paste. It's reusable and double-sided. They've got the 5 by 7. That's perfect to go with your size A transfers. Or even if you want to use some of the tier tray transfers and just use sections of it to create your own design, you can do that. The nutcrackers, look at that, the nutcrackers. You get all 4 shapes. These are reusable, double-sided. They coordinate with the nutcracker transfer. Look at the ornaments. The vintage, you get 6 of them. You're getting 6 pieces. So you can go ahead and make these for Christmas tree ornaments. Just punch the hole, use the power hole punch. Goes through it like butter. You've got the vintage Christmas tree. That's a size A transfer. That would look absolutely adorable if you got that in addition to one of these kits, and you could just adhere it. You can hot glue it to the surface if you want to keep it permanent. Use those reusable glue dots. I love those. And put it on the other side. And just get it as an add-on, and get the transfer that coordinates with it. It's a size A transfer that coordinates with that shape, and it would fit on there perfectly. Got some snowflakes here that would make great garland, or if you just want to get the shapes as is and paint your own designs on there, they're reusable. As long as you're using the chalk paste, you can go ahead and clean it off and reuse those surfaces. They've got the Santa shape. I'm not sure if the Santa, the Merry Christmas Santa one is sold out, the transfer, but you can reuse the shape. So those are the new kits that they have and the shapes. They're under specials. Like I said, I will have a link posted down below. So if you'd like to go ahead and shop this, check them out. It's while supplies last. Amazing deals. And next Monday, we'll start a new week of deals with some kits and select transfers and surfaces. I hope you're able to get on these. See, go over here. You got your 10 spot, 10 kits, $5 spots. It's all under special categories. All right, I hope you're able to get in on some of these deals and take advantage of this. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day.